Hey traders, welcome back to Trade Empire. In this video, you will learn our best fair value gap trading strategy, and we will explain these following topics briefly and clearly in a simple way to make it easy for everybody to learn. And we will break down the key criteria and rules that elevates a fair value gap into a winning trade. And I hope after watching this video till end, all your doubts about fair value gap will be crystal clear. So let's continue our video after a short intro. What is meant by fair value gap? Fair value gap is a price void or gap created between three consecutive heavy momentum candles in a continuation trend, indicating a potential area of support or resistance, where price may revisit or consolidate before continuing its overall trend. A fair value gap forms due to the aggressive sellers or buyers in the market, and due to their buying or selling pressure. Before moving into the advanced features of fair value gap, let's have a quick breakdown of the market sentiment and learn the psychology behind market movement. Let's figure out that how market moves. The market movement can be boiled down into two main key factors. The first factor is the liquidity areas, as market continuously seeks to sweep the liquidity to generate its momentum. As we know, that liquidity is the blood of the market, and it plays a vital role in market's overall dynamics and functioning. And if you don't know much about liquidity, you can watch our previously uploaded video on liquidity, where we have explained basic to advanced liquidity concepts. And our second factor of market movement is the fair value gap, as market consistently shows a tendency to fill and rebalance the gaps present within it. And if you look at this example, you can clearly see that first price moves upward, created this fair value gap, then price moved back and filled this fair value gap. And you can notice that it not just filled the gap, it also moves a little downward and sweep the external liquidity. And after grabbing the liquidity, the price starts moving upward and filling this recent formed fair value gap. This type of pattern in the market shows that how market operates, where price tends to both clear liquidity and fills the fair value gaps. Now let's move to our next topic, identifying fair value gaps by candles perspective. As I told earlier, a fair value gap forms between three candles sequence, and you can easily identify them on the charts. And the distinguished feature is that the upper and lower wicks of the neighboring candles do not completely overlap the body of the middle candle. And this forms a valid fair value gap, which essentially fills the space between the wicks, and we draw it on the body of the middle candle of this sequence. Here's an example of fair candle sequence. This type of fair value gap patterns commonly happens almost daily in various time frames. Look, when the first candle in this three-candle sequence is small enough that it fits in the last red candle, then it is essential to analyze a fair candlestick fair value gap. In situations like this, if we do not consider this mother candle while drawing the fair value gap, then our identified fair value gap zone will not be valid. But if we ignore this red candle and draw our fair value gap like this, then our highlighted fair value gap will be considered as invalid. Same concept applies for the bearish scenario. And these fair value gap rules can be applied to various time frames and any price action-based chart. Our next topic is the theory behind the fair value gaps. Let's consider a three-candlestick sequence. Suppose this sequence created an imbalance in the market in a higher time frame. And to analyze this three candles market structure in a clear way, we will move into the lower time frame. And here we can see that the price has created a clear bullish structure. As I told earlier, the market consistently shows a tendency to fill the inefficiency and gaps present between candles. And if we look closely here, we can clearly see that the price has created a clean bullish structure with heavy momentum. And this scenario shows the strength of buyers and lack of sellers in the market. And when retail traders encounter this type of sharp movements in the market and miss out this great buying opportunity, then they often place their buy limit orders just below these higher low key levels. And they think that the price will make a deep pullback to any of this key level and fill their buying orders, and then it will move upward and continue its uptrend. And in this type of scenarios, a lot of liquidity is present in the market due to the pending buy orders of many traders. And liquidity is the main reason for the price to move down and filling the fair value gaps. And after grabbing the liquidity, market moves in one direction with great strength. Imagine a scenario like this, where price is in a downtrend. In this case, a fair value gap emerges due to the absence of buyers in the market. And here's an important point. The identification of the gap is solely based on considering the impulse up or impulse down candle along with the adjacent candles. And other candles outside of this range do not play a role in determining the gap. And these pockets of liquidity voids hold significant importance, as they can serve as potent entry points due to the market attraction to liquidity. And when the price is inclined to move downward, it aims to clear the potential liquidity zones above it. And these zones become more favorable regions, where the price may witness an upside movement, only to fill the fair value gaps, and then it continue its bearish trend. As now you have understand the main theory behind the fair value gaps. Now let's learn that how we can use it for our advantage. The main key factors that we should consider to figure out the price direction is the price action that happens when the price enters into our highlighted fair value gap. And if the price respects our fair value gap and shows some rejections from there, then it indicates that the price will move upside from here. But if the price do not show any rejection in fair value gap, then there's a high chance that price will move downward to this key level and target the sell side liquidity present below the recent higher low. Our next topic is the criteria and rules to identify a valid fair value gap. To consider a fair value gap valid, or if you want to use fair value gap as an entry point, then it is essential to look for that fair value gap which lead to a break of structure or change of character. Without a valid break of structure or change of character, you should not execute any trade based on fair value gap, as it can lead you to a losing trade. Because break of structures and change of characters are the essential signals that indicates us whether the market will continue its trend or it will change its trend. Discount and premium zone is the second key factor while trading on fair value gaps. In a bullish trend, we use that fair value gap, which is formed in discount zone. And in a bearish trend, we use premium zone to execute our trade based on fair value gaps. Here's an example of discount and premium zone. Look, the market is in a bullish trend, and we have these two fair value gaps. And if we apply Fibonacci retracement tool here, we can see that this one fair value gap is in premium zone, and this one is in discount zone. And remember, the fair value gap situated at market extreme level holds a higher priority when it comes to trade execution. Now look, if you have executed on this premium zone fair value gap, then your stop loss has been hit. But if you set your pending buy order at the top of this discount zone fair value gap, then you have a winning trade. And remember, always use a mitigated fair value gaps for trade execution, because fair value gaps are one-time use. And if you consider a mitigated fair value gap to execute any trade, then it may lead you to a losing trade. That's it for today, guys. If this video has provided you some knowledge, then please leave a like and subscribe the channel for more trading content. Good luck for your trading journey.